Since you have been watching my videos, I know you can design these kind of user interfaces easily. Today I'm going to show you how to design these kind of more attractive character user interfaces. To do that, I'm going to use the same test.java file. For this tutorial, I'm using previous video series knowledge. You only need previous video knowledge to do these exercises. These are the colors what we need to design these character user interface. Some systems won't work these colors. Don't worry about that. The purpose of this video is practicing you with variables. No need to remember these colors. Now I'm gonna add these colors to these strings. Save it. Go to the command prompt. Java. Clear the screen. Successfully compiled. It's working. We have a small error here. We need to remove these double quotes. Let me clear it. Compile. Right. Now it is successfully printing our design. Let's design the second one. Now I'm gonna add these colors to these strings. Compile, save, clear. Now it is compiling. No any compile time errors. Let me run it. There are some issues are there. Save it, clear, compile, run it. There are some issues are there. This line should be signed. This line should be signed. Save, compile, then run. Save, compile, run. Now it is okay. That's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.